Hey, hi everyone. So today video is about content marketing. So why you need content? Uh, if you look at the sectors like the startups or the SaaS-based business, so they are solving some problem. So if you're a well-established company, you people know you that okay, what problem you're solving. But if you're a startup, you have to explain in detail what's the problem, what's what's the solution that you're giving, and how the things will change after using your solution. So that can only be done using the contents. Same thing for SaaS based businesses. They have to explain, or any kind of B2B business, they have to explain what's the main problem they're solving. If they can explain this to your customers, there's no problem in selling or getting the lead or generating the leads at all. And that can only be done by the content marketing. Second, if you come to the e-commerce sector, there too, now the contents plays a very major role. Maybe the content changes there. In the B2B SaaS, it's mainly the informational content, but here you have to push a lot of hedonic content, which is very appealing to the customers, short videos or anything. So Bill Gates has also said content is the king. So whether you're a startup, whether you're well established B2B SaaS or your e-commerce company, you have to be have a proper strategy of the content. So how can you make the content strategy? So based on the IDA model, that's the awareness, interest, action, and decision, you can make content for each stages of the customer cycle. For the awareness stage, you can tell a customer what your product is, maybe what your product is, or maybe the bigger picture. Like I will take the example like ONDC is coming out. Many people, even if you explain ONDC, they will not able to understand. So you have to start with the e-commerce, what's the current e-commerce state is, and then you have to bring the ONDC, and then you need to bring your product. So that's the awareness stage. At that stage, you can create a lot of videos, you can have a lot of blogs content, you can have a lot of white papers. Second is the interest stage, where the customer is aware of your product, or maybe the aware of the sector that you are in, and now you need to create interest for your product. So that you can do by creating various case studies, creating various solution pages. Then come the decision stage. Now the customer is interested in your product, now you have to push him so that he make decision. And that can be done using the various customer testimonials, various case studies again, and also some kind of content which can pull the customers. And the final stage is your action stage. Here again, the customer testimonial and the case studies plays a very critical role. The second part, the content not only helps in bringing the customers, they also helps a lot in nurturing the customers. Now, what kind of content that you make? That's another big point. 5, 6 years back, or maybe 10 years back, when the content was started, it was primarily the blogs on text-based content. But now it's only the videos. All the users' attention span is decreasing day by day. No one has time to go through the white papers, blogs, or other form of text content. Only thing that's attract is the video. In maybe 2 3 minutes video, you can explain your complete product. You can capture the complete customer journey from awareness, interest, action, and decision. Everything should be in the form of videos. So that's the key take for this particular video. The third point, how you're going to create the video. There are various formats of video. You can create animation video. You know the avatars are also coming. And third, also you can make a in-person video. What I have experienced, compared to the animation, the in-person videos really work well, because there a person is speaking and the emotions that's bring in, it's not possible in any kind of animation video. You can do try you can try the avatar one, which I have not tried, but few tools are there like Synthesia and the other tool which make the video in form of avatar using the AI. So that could be really interesting. So that's my first video on content marketing. If you have anything or want any suggestions for your content marketing plan, or maybe how you can start your content marketing, you can reach out to me. Just comment on the below video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.